Hey besties, welcome back again to my channel. I'll be showing you how I made these beautiful and delicious meringue kisses or cookies. It tastes so delicious, so yummy. Once you start making it, you won't be able to stop. Trust me, it is so easy to make. The recipe is very easy. You need 1 part of egg whites to 2 parts of sugar. So I have my 100 grams of egg white and I have 200 grams of granulated sugar. And to my egg whites in the bowl, I'm going to add a few drops of vinegar. You can also use cream of tartar, but I'm used to vinegar whenever I want to whip up my egg white, and it works perfectly. So you can also give it a try. Now make sure that your bowl is perfectly clean. It's free from any form of oil. You know, you've wiped it down with vinegar. Just make sure it's completely clean and oil free, and you start adding in your sugar gradually. I'm using a tablespoon to just add in my sugar, and you want to continue to whip this until stiff peaks. I'm going to show you the stages so that you will understand, and it'll be easier for you when next you want to make yours. So you continue to whip this on high speed. It might take between 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes, depending on the speed or how powerful your mixer is. So you're just going to keep on adding your sugar gradually. If you are still watching this video up till this point, please do well to like this video and subscribe. Also drop a beautiful comment in the comment section. It means so much to me. Thank you. Once you are done adding in the sugar, you continue whipping this, and you want to add in your flavor at this point. So to 200 grams of sugar and 100 grams of egg whites, I'll be using ½ teaspoon of vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. And at this point, I'm showing you what it looks like. It is still soft peaks here. You can see it's still wobbly, shaking. Some people stop at this point, but no, this is not the point where I would stop. So you continue whisking for another 30 seconds to about a minute, and then I'll show you what it will look like. After whipping it for another 35 to 40 seconds, we have gotten our stiff peaks. You can see what it looks like. It is stiff, and when I dip it into it, you can see how sharp the peaks looks. Now I'm just going to go ahead and divide it into 4 bowls. So I would like to make different colors. You can use any color of your choice, but make sure you are using an oil-based color. So if you have a paste color, as long as it's oil-based, you can use it. If you use a water-based color, it's going to dilute your meringue. Okay, so this is called the meringue. We've whipped it up into a meringue, and that's what you are seeing, and that is why it is this stable. The addition of sugar has made it stable enough for you to use it for your meringue cookies. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in the colors, and you'll see it shortly. You want to use very little quantity of color. So please, what I advise is that you go in with a light hand, maybe use like a drop or just a touch of color, and if it's not enough, you want to add just a little bit more. Do not overcolor your meringue. Don't do that, please. Don't overcolor your meringue. And also fold with a light hand. You might not be able to see that because I'm actually making the video a little bit faster so we don't waste too much time, but please, you want to fold gently so that you do not deflate the air that has been trapped into your meringue. I've colored the pink and the blue. Now to make my purple, if you have your purple or violet shade of color, you can use it, but sometimes I just like to add a little pink and a little blue, and it gives me the perfect shade that I want. So now I'm just adding a little bit of yellow, and I'll also color that. For the piping tips, you can use any piping tips you like, but make sure that it's the large piping tips. So you just put it into your piping bag, and you want to cut, to reveal the shape of your piping tip. Just add some colors to it and start piping. I'm piping the stars. I would also pipe some rosettes, and for that you want to put a dollop first. Mark it, put a dollop, and then add your skewer to it or your lollipop stick to it before you pipe. That's to make sure that you have a sealed back and to avoid it breaking on you. You know, your meringue cookies are very fragile, so you want to be sure that you seal up the back with some of the meringue. Okay, so now I'm just going to pipe. The possibilities are endless. You can even write a number 2, write a number 1 with it. There are different types of piping tips, you know, for meringue cookies. So as long as you're able to get it from your bakery supply store or from any online vendor or any vendor you normally buy from, then you're lucky. All you want to do is pipe, you know, with the different nozzles that you have to get this two-colored two-tone effect. All I did was the empty bag of the pink meringue, I just added the purple into it or violet into it, and it gave me 2 shades. And for this other one, I just mixed the leftover of all the 3 different shades into one piping bag without mixing it together, and it gave me this combination. For this recipe, if you have a bigger tray, it's better you use it. I used these 2 trays and I used a small size 6 pan. You bake in the oven at 100 degrees or at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes to 1 hour. Please make sure you put an eye on it and make sure that your heat is not too high. Otherwise, it will change the color of your meringue kisses, and this is how the meringue kisses came out. Looking beautiful. I actually used it to decorate a cake, but I mean, take a look at this gorgeousness, and it tastes so delicious. It melts literally in your mouth. Don't take my word for it. You need to try it out to understand what I'm talking about. I'll be showing you the cake I used it to decorate shortly. If you enjoyed watching, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, please, so that YouTube can push it to more audience, okay? And also drop a beautiful comment in the comment section. I'll do try to reply you, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.